Welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Okay, just a really quick video. I am in the process of dehydrating pineapple, and I thought I'd let you all in on it really quickly. I had 2 pineapples that I got at Aldi for 95 cents each, and pineapple's really good to dehydrate. It's like nature's candy. All you do is you cut it up into really good slices, maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. I've got mine on parchment paper, and my dehydrator is stainless steel racks, and it sticks to the racks on mine. You can put it on silicone, or they've got Teflon sheets that you can put in your dehydrator. Parchment paper works just great, and it's really cheap. So I'm going to put this on at, I think it's 135 degrees for probably about 6 hours, but I've got the Excalibur, so do it according to your dehydrator instructions. I'm going to push this in here. I'm going to do probably about another rack and a half. I've got another whole pineapple here. And this comes out tasting just like candy. You can do it when it's still pliable, or you can do it crispy. Put it in Ziploc bags. This is my mango. Store it in Ziploc bags. You can put it in mason jars. This is my beef jerky. I will be doing a video on everything that I've been dehydrating with the Excalibur really soon. Another plus when you're doing pineapple is that what's left of this, see that I've cut the top off, you can plant this. And all you do is you put this in water until it roots a little bit, and it's going to get brown on the top here. Remember, like we did the onions last year, and celery the same way. It'll root right down here. It'll get a little soggy, and then you want to plant this in really good soil, and it will grow another pineapple from up here on the top. And it will take about 18 to 24 months, but you will get another pineapple, maybe 2 pineapples. Sometimes you get 2 pineapples off the same top. So I'm going to be doing that experiment with these 2 pineapples. So there you go. I will be doing an update video and show you what these come out like, but they do taste like candy, so if you're in the mood for some great natural tasting candy, try doing dehydrating pineapple. Really good for you. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.